Telegram microjob tax is here for you to earn daily. Now it depends on your hard work on this particular Telegram microjob tax. Okay, so what you just have to do is to attend to all these tasks according to the one that you are able to accumulate for yourself. Now if you are able to do more of these tasks, you should be making a lot of earnings for yourself using this Telegram microjob tax. I'm not going to be talking too much, we are just going to dive in right now. But before that, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is Cash Value. So what we do right here, we share experience of what works and make reviews of what you need to know about some other apps. Okay, so in exchange of what you'll be getting from you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, like I said, this is a Telegram microjob tax. Once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. This is one of the simplest Telegram microjob tax you can find online. So what you just want to do is click on open app. So once you click on open app, it's going to direct you to launch this app, but I have actually launched the app. That is why it's actually bringing me to this interface. So right now, once you log into your account, what you're going to be seeing on your balance is the DLD 1000 balance. Now they pay you in DLD right on this platform. When you come right here, you can actually see that you can earn points by watching and earning. Okay, so right now you can join this particular group and you will be paid some amount of money. And you can also see that you can do a WhatsApp tax, you can do a Telegram tax, a WhatsApp tax, Telegram tax, and so many taxes right here. So you just have to go for any of these tax that you want to do. You can earn close to 5,000 naira every single day depending on your hard work right on this platform. This is very simple for you to start and earn every single day. Once you click on earn right here, you're going to be seeing that you can earn through ads, you can earn through YouTube, socials, music, and news. So there are lots of ways you can use to earn on this platform. So whichever one you have actually chosen to earn from, just come right here and click on earn, do the tax, and you will be paid the amount of earnings on your account. Now as you can see that these are several ways you can earn right on this platform. Just go ahead to click on earn. As you can see that you'll be paid in DRD. Okay, so once you click on earn, it's going to ask you to open this. Just click on yes, and you'll be allowed to do some of all these tasks. Actually, on tasks like this, all they actually want you to do is to stay on this page for some seconds. So once you're done, you just have to go back and your earnings will be accumulating on your own account. Okay, so this is very simple for you to do and earn from every single day. So once you've stayed in that page for some seconds, all you just have to do is to claim this particular 10 DLD. Okay, as you can see, it says it expires in so and so. So just go ahead to claim your reward for your account. So you just have to stay and follow the process for you to claim your DLD on your account. So just follow the process on your account and you'll be getting your earnings right on your dashboard. As you can see, we just claimed this. So once you go over to your account, you'll be seeing that your account balance has actually increased. So you can actually see that once you go back to your account, you can see that our DLD points has actually increased from 1000 to 1010. Now to place withdrawal on this platform is very simple. Just come over to withdraw. Now you can actually see that you can withdraw in Naira and you can withdraw in USDT. So this is a very sweet way you can use to make earnings for yourself every single day. You can actually see that my available balance is 252. So when you go over to USD, you can see that it's 0.13. So the more you accumulate DLD on this particular account, it's going to accumulate for you in Naira or USDT. Now when you come right here, you can actually see that you can withdraw 5,000, you can withdraw 10,000 as the case may be. Now the total number of DLD you have will determine the total number you'll be earning in Naira. Okay, and so you can see that 20,000 DLD worth 5,000 Naira on your account and 40,000 DLD worth 10,000 Naira on your account. Now when you go ahead to use referrals to increase your DLD, you can also get that quickly on your account. So you can see that this is very simple. Just come right here, take any of these tasks you want to go for. We have the Telegram, we have the WhatsApp, we have so many ways you can use to accumulate some microjob tax on this platform. Now if you actually want to leverage more, just come down to this end. You're going to be seeing some of these tasks right here. Most of them requires you to view for some seconds, and after viewing you will claim your reward and it will accumulate to your DLD. So you can see some of them right here. As we just claimed this, all you just have to do is to come right here, click on earn. It's going to ask you to open, click on yes, and it's going to direct you to a page. Now your work is to stay on that page for some seconds. Okay, close this, stay on that page for some seconds. This is actually an educative message. You can actually see it says, I was lying in bed, the ceiling fell in at the screen of Israeli hospital hit by Iran strike. So this is actually a breaking news. Just go ahead to read this. As you're reading this, you're actually spending much time on this platform. So the next thing you want to do is to minimize and go to your Telegram. Okay, so right now they'll be asking you to claim. Okay, I hope you're getting this process. Click on claim. So once you click on claim, it's going to direct you over to this interface. You can actually see what is actually loading above. You still have to wait for this to load from this first line to the second line down to the third line before you can be able to claim. As you can see, it's actually loading to the next line. It's actually loading to the next line. Okay, so you just have to wait for this to load to the next line. So once this loads to the next line, the other line is going to load till the end as well. Just take your time and spend much time waiting for this to finish loading. Okay, it's still loading. You still have to wait for this. Still loading, still loading. So you just have to wait for this. Okay, we are almost done. As you can see, it's asking you to claim, so you can see claimed after add. Okay, so when you go back to your account right now, you can actually see that our point has actually increased from 1010 to 1020. Like I told you, withdrawal is very simple. You can withdraw in Naira, you can withdraw in USDT. As you can see, my total balance is 255 Naira. So what I said earlier was, depending on your effort, depending on the hard work you put right here, the number of tasks you can be able to perform a day, that determines the amount you'll be making every single day. As you can see that the minimum you can make right here is 5,000 Naira, which is 20,000 DRD. Thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can do well to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I will give you and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. You can actually get this link on the pinned comment section of this video. See you on my next video and keep winning.